let's start off by doing your homework. We're going to go over the quiz as a group. We're going to take the quiz together so we can see what you guys got right and what you guys got wrong. So everyone make sure you're paying attention and help me get through this quiz. I don't want to get any wrong, and I need your help to make sure I don't get any of these wrong, okay? I know you guys like to call me this sometime, Mr. Acorn, Mr. Acorn. I'll be Mr. Acorn for this quiz, okay? I know you guys like that name sometimes. Okay, so let me start. Mr. Acorn will start. Okay, how do most, actually, let's have one of you guys read this. Harry, can you read this for me, Harry?
How do most young plants and parent plants look alike?
Thank you. So do they look similar to each other, exactly alike, or very different? Let's see. Let's have you guys circle. Actually, let's have you guys circle. So everyone get ready to annotate. You guys can circle the correct answer. Okay, so in 3, 2, 1, circle. Everyone can now circle what you think the answer is. Okay, good job, Harry. Good job, Mayan. Ming too, very good. Oh, you guys all think it's similar. Everyone thinks it's similar? Okay, you guys have 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it looks like everyone chose the first answer, so it has to be correct. So most young plants and parent plants look alike. They are similar. Okay, let's see if this is correct. So let me click it. Oh, it was correct. Yep, you guys got it all correct. It was the first option. They look similar. So we have this next question. I'm going to have someone else read. Let's have, how about Mayan? Mayan, can you read?
In each parent plant, what pattern do you see? Choose a correct answer.
Mayan, can you give me one of the correct answers? What is one correct answer, Mayan? Just one. What pattern do you see?
The leaves are the same shape.
Thank you, Mayan. I think Mayan, we'll see if she got that right. And how about Bull? Bull, what did you want to choose? Bull, what did you want to choose?
The second one.
Okay, everyone. I'm going to unmute everyone. Are these correct? Are both of these correct? Yes or no? Everyone in 3, 2, 1, go. Is yes or no?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, let me submit it. Oh, we got one wrong. We got one wrong. Okay, remember the young plant has less leaves, not more leaves than the adult. Oh, we got that one wrong. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Let's move on to this next one. Let's have someone else read. Banana, let's read, please.
Okay. Kate sees a young plant in a park. She wants to find an adult plant that is the same kind of plant. That should Kate look for?
Thank you. So Kate sees a young plant in a park. So how should we find this adult? How should we find the adult? Should we do A, or the first one, a plant with leaves that are like the young plant's leaves? So should we look for a plant with leaves that are like the young plant's leaves? B, a plant with the same number of leaves? Or C, a plant that is the same size? Okay, you guys can circle. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, circle. Circle the answer you want me to choose. Circle the answer. We've already gotten one wrong. Let's see if we can make it better. Circle the correct answer. Okay, a plant with the same number of leaves is one of our answers. Bull. Okay. Now let me disable. Everyone, it looks like most people chose B, or the second option. Let me clear your drawing. So most people chose this option. Now I'm going to tell you guys, this one is, you guys got it wrong. You guys got it wrong. Most of you guys chose this option, but this one is wrong. Okay, and I'm going to tell you why. So Kate sees a young plant in the park. And remember, young plants look similar to the adults, but they're not exactly alike. Now, if it's a young plant, the parent plant would have probably what? would the parent have more leaves or less leaves? What do you guys think? More leaves or less leaves? Would the parent have more leaves or less leaves? Let's have Min Kuei. What do you think, Min Kuei?
More leaves.
Yeah, the parent will have more leaves. So do you guys see this word right here? The same? That's not right. It should be more. They should say more, not the same. So we know this one is incorrect. Okay. Which one do you guys think it is if it's not the second one? Which one do you think it is? Daisy, which one do you think it is? Read the one you think it is. Just read the one that you think it is. Daisy, which one do you think it is? The first one, second one, or third one?
The third one.
The third one? So do you think the young plant and the parent plant will be the same size? Is a baby tree the same size as an adult tree? Bang An? Which one do you think it is? Or is a parent tree going to be the same size as a young tree?
No.
No. So which one should I click? Which one should I click? Can you read the one I should click?
Plant
With
leaves that are like the young plant leaf.
Thank you. Yeah. We're going to look for the leaves that are the same shape. Maybe they're the same color. We are going to choose the one that looks like the same leaves. So boom. And we got it correct. It took a little bit of work, but we got it correct. I'm glad we got that one correct and did not get that one wrong. Now, this one I bet was pretty hard just because it was hard to match them and understand how it was asked. So we have to match picture A and D and C and B. So for the first one, let's try the first one. Let's try A and D and C and B. So A and D, and B and C. Is this correct? I'm going to unmute everyone. Is this correct? Is this correct? Yes or no? In 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, so this one must be right. This one must be right. So let me click the first one because you guys think it's all the first one. A and D and C and B. Let's see. Oh, yes, we got it correct. Which statements are true about tulips? Which statements are true about tulips? So they need to be true, which means they are correct. Choose all the correct answers. We have the first one, all tulips are red. B, tulip flowers can be different colors. And C, some tulips are taller than others. Let's have you guys circle the two correct answers. There's two correct answers. In 3, 2, 1, go. Can you guys circle the two correct answers for me? Mayan, Harry, good job. Mintu, very good job. Bull, very good job. Daisy, great job. Salmon, good job. Salmon, good job. Harry, you guys are typing. You guys are writing so fast. You guys are writing all fast. You guys chose these two. The first one, the second one, and the third one. Let's read them. Tulip flowers can be different colors. That's correct. Do you guys remember the picture that we looked at in class? There was yellow tulips, there was white tulips, red tulips, purple tulips. Remember all the different colors? So you guys got that one correct. Good job. And remember, some of the tulips were taller and some were shorter, just like you guys. Some of you guys are really tall. Some of you guys are really short. Okay. You guys are going to grow, of course, but your sizes are all different. Tulips are the same. Some tulips will be really big and some tulips will be smaller, and there'll be a bunch in between. So let's see if we got this right. Good job, everyone. Good job, everyone. That was really good. Oh, we get a redemption question. Oh, this is the one we got wrong. Observe this young plant and its parent plant. What pattern do you see? Choose all correct answers. So I'm just going to call on one person to try to answer this, and we'll see if they get it right or wrong. So guys, this person better be good. Let's have let's try Ming Tu. Ming Tu, what answer should I select? Should we choose the young plant has more leaves than the parent?
No.
No. Okay. And how about their leaves are the same shape? Are their leaves the same shape?
No.
We have to, okay. And their leaves are purple and black.
Yes.
Yes. But remember, let's look at them real quick. Let's see, is the shape the same? Let's look at this leaf, and look at these leaves. Are they the same shape? Are they the same shape? I'll help you out a little bit. So you got one of them correct, but yes, the leaves are the same shape. So let's check our answer. Good job, good job, good job. Okay, we got a score of 3,600. That was a good job, guys. Okay, now we're gonna go to your book. Today, we are learning, before we go to your book, how do animals look like their parents? So we're going to look at how animals, the last lesson was how plants look like their parents. This time we're going to study animals. Okay. So this is your book. Oh, so what is something that is the same? Can someone tell me something that is the same? What is the same between these two animals? Let's have Salmon. Salmon, what is something that is the same?
It has the same color.
Can you tell the class, are these animals the same kind or different kind?
Same kind.
Same kind. Very good. And they both are the same color. Good job, Salmon. You got two of them correct. Good job. How about Harry? Harry, what else is the same? Harry, what else is the same? So look at these two animals and look at their body parts. Are there any body parts that are the same?
Yes.
Harry, yeah. Which body parts?
The ears.
The ears. Oh yeah, they have the same ears. And which one is the baby? Which one do you guys know is the young? Which one is the young? Remember, baby? I know we sometimes use the word baby in class, but the proper word for this, let me write it real quick, is going to be the young. Okay, the young. I want you guys to use this word, the young. Okay, the baby is the young. So, which one is young? Which one is the younger one? Is it the big one or the small one? Everyone tell me, is it the big one or the small one? In 3, 2, 1, unmute. The big one or the small one? Which one's the young?
Small.
Yeah, the small one. If you guys ever see two animals and there's one that's super tiny and one that's really big, the super tiny one is probably just younger, or the young. It's probably younger. This is a koala. Sometimes they're called koala bears. Sometimes they're actually called koala bears. And it looks like its parent. By the end of this lesson, I will be able to tell how animals of the same kind can be alike and different. So actually, let's go over our homework, because our homework is pretty interesting this time. Let me share your homework real quick. So we got to talk about the koalas. We did the quiz. We talked about which koala is the parent. It's the larger one. How do you know? Because it's big, because it's large. How else are the young and koala, its parent, different? How else are they different? Okay. And how are they alike? So with your homework, you guys have to choose an animal. This time I chose this animal for us. Raise your hand, use the raise hand option if you know what animal this is. Okay, Salmon was the first one to raise his hand. Salmon, what animal is this? Salmon?
Yes.
What animal is this? Do you know?
It's a type of bird.
Yes, it's a type of bird. Very good. This type of bird is actually called a flamingo. This bird is called a flamingo. So let me type this in. Now, for your homework, you're going to have to tell me the similarities and differences. Similarities just kind of means like the same, and differences is, of course, different. Okay, so let's have Min Kuei. Min Kuei, what is something that is the same?
To have a long feet.
Yeah, They have long, what are those things called? What you have two of them. You have two of them. Long, what do you use to walk around? Long, starts with an L. Lay. I'm going to type it on the screen. Can you read it for me? Yeah, long legs. You got it correct. It's long legs. They have the same long legs. Okay, how about someone else? What else is the same? What else is the same? Banana? What's that banana?
The
The feathers?
yes, the feathers.
Yeah, they both have feathers, but does the baby have feathers yet?
No.
No, so we're not going to write that as the same, okay? We're not going to write that as the same, okay? But we can put that over its differences. We could say, let's just say the adult has feathers. There you go. Adult has feathers. Good job finding a difference, but that is something that is not the same, okay? Let's have bull. Bull. What else is the same between these? Bull. Do they have any body parts that are the same? Are they the same? Are they different shape or the same shape? Is their shape the same? Yeah. They have the same shape, bull. Guys, they have the same shape. So let me write that. And then this is what I want. I want you to draw the young, draw the parent, and then give me a list of the similarities and differences. But that is it for today. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, an amazing Friday. I'm going to unmute everyone and we can say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, Mr. Connor.
Bye-bye, guys. Have a great weekend.